Hello everyone, how to talks back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to stop watching unwanted videos on TikTok. Like if you don't like your current TikTok feed or algorithm, then you can reset this, and after that TikTok understand your interest and recommend the videos according to your interest. So first of all, you need to open your application, then simply tap here right bottom corner is the profile icon. Tap here three line right top corner is the settings. Tap here settings and privacy. Take here content preference and tap here refresh your feed. So by default maybe it is to refresh. So you can see here will temporarily show you popular videos you may not normally see. So you can see here watch, like, comment and share videos, so we can learn your preference. Like if you like any videos, then you can give like, comment, then TikTok understand and TikTok recommend you those kind of videos on your feed.